Loan Factory and about me, you will kind of understand how I can be the top loan officer in the country. And I will show you our system, our technology. I will show you the process, how we move a loan from A to Z using our technology, our process. And if you have any question along the way that relevant to what I discussed, please raise your hand. But if it's not relevant, please wait to the end so that I can finish the webinar. I want to show you, there's a lot that I want to show you. So if it's anything relevant, raise your hand, I will answer right away. But if it's something that's not related to what I cover, wait to the end, please. Okay. So also, if you have the camera, please turn it on. I would love to see you like you see me. Okay. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen, my window. One thing is all of us here, we have to recognize that we are running our own business. And that means we need to stay competitive, right? Your business has to be so good that it will keep going and you keep making money. So in order to have a good business, all of the loan officer must rely on the company to support them, to give them what they need so that you can be successful. It is almost impossible for you yourself to become good and competitive. I will show you how and why. Basically, I want you to compare your current company versus Loan Factory. You have to compare so that you know who offer you the most, who should you work for. This is, we all agree that when consumer they shop around, it's better for them. And the same thing applies to all of us here. If you are a loan officer, you need to shop around for a better company to join. A company that gives you better rate, better choices, better support, better technology, better service, so that you can turn around and help your clients. Okay. So please remember all of that. And here is our website, our main website. And you can see right away, we promote our best price guarantee, $1,000 best price guarantee. That means the borrower can shop around, they can come to Loan Factory, they can look at the term and condition right here. Please remember that right now we only launched this program in this state. And the consumer, when they land, they go to our website, they can submit the loan estimate, and we will tell them if we can beat that loan estimate or not. If not, they can close the loan with that lender, with that terms, and then they give us the final CD. We'll pay them $1,000. So this is a great program to prove to our client that we have the best rate, and they should shop around. And by challenging our clients, they will trust that we have competitive rate. They trust that they should work with us. And it also gives the loan officer like you a chance to promote yourself. It allows you to promote yourself. Can we mute Karen, please? So by doing so, you can promote yourself. And think about this, consumer. They are surrounded by so many loan officers. They all promote themselves. They all say they are good. They have the best rate, they have the best service and all that. So consumers are confused. And for you to win, you need to stand out. You need to let the consumer know about you, about your rate, your service, about how good you are, and show them the benefit of working with you. If they don't see the benefit, they're not going to work with you. They're not going to call you. So this program is going to help you. You can advertise this program and impress your future clients. And if they do shop around, if they give you the loan estimate, all we ask for is you need to compete. You need to be willing to make zero, as low as $0, so that you can win the client. You can help the client. And in case that we cannot beat the competitor, loan factory will pay $1,000, not you. So this is the benefit that we offer you, so that you can turn around and offer your clients, challenge your client to shop around. That way, they would love to come to you and test you out to see if you can offer them a better rate. And we ran this for 1.5 years. So far, we haven't lost any money. Nobody ever beat us. So just to let you know that. So this is a great program that we have, and this is one of the best programs for all of us to promote ourselves. And by challenging our client to shop around, they will shop around, and they will have better rate, and they will appreciate us, appreciate you. Any question about this program before I move on? Okay, so you know that most loan officers out there, they advertise that they have the best rate, but they have nothing to back it up. They have nothing to prove that they have the lowest rate. For us, we have the pricing engine right next to us, right on top of our page, to allow the consumer to run the pricing. So the consumer can run the pricing and see the rate. It is so easy and quick to use, to understand. They can see the rate right away, and it can be customized as well. All of these can be customized, so the consumer can plug in their parameter and they can see the rate. And everything is transparent. Transparency is something that helps us to win the clients. They love the transparency. They love to see everything themselves. And it's clear, easy to use. Hello, hi, Jimmy.
Hey, Tuan. In this, for the consumer, the pricing engine, right? What comp does it have built in there? 1 point or 1.5? 1 point?
1 point.
Okay.
And this is for the consumer. So
and that's on the back end, right?
Yeah. So whatever consumers see is what they get. And if we offer them this rate, we make 1%. And I recognize that all of us have different expectations. Some of you want to make 1%, but some of you want to make 1.5 or 2%. And some of you want to make 0.5%. It's up to you. So Loan Factory will create a website for each of you. It will be almost identical to this website. And you can customize your pricing engine. You can put it in at 1.5 or 0.5%. It's up to you. You can do a lot of customization. You can hide the lender name so that nobody sees the lender name. You can choose how many lenders on your pricing engine. So as you can see right here, we have 28 lenders. And at 6.125, Rocket has the best rate. And you can run down the list. One sad thing is a lot of loan officers don't use pricing engine. Some loan officer don't even shop around for their client. Many loan officers send all their loan to one lender, which is the biggest lender out there. And that is sad because they have higher rate. I do understand that they have better technology, better process that help you close the loan faster. But pricing does matter. I mean, we have to do both. We have to help the client with not only the service, with the pricing as well. So I do recommend all loan officers out there to shop around. And you can see the difference. Some of the lenders have really bad rate. Why don't we shop around and give them better rate? It's so easy. The pricing engine, the technology are now so easy to use, so powerful. So if you play around with this pricing engine, you can do it yourself though. After the webinar, you can go to loanfactory.com and play around with it. Or you can do it now while I talk. You can play around with our website. You can see whatever I see right now. And when you click on the lender name, you can see the broker compensation is 1%. You can see all the breakdown of the pricing for the consumer. And let me share with you this, why our technology is the best out there. So for example, let's say your client have a score of 650 and they want to buy a home, right? And they make 20% down. The only problem they have is their credit score is low. So, what happened to this? Something happened.
Excuse me.
Something happened. Oh, I think I know why. This is an FHA loan. Okay, so let's do a conventional loan. So this borrower, we know that because of the low credit score, the rate will be high. Like right here, you see 7.625%. Because the credit score is too low, right? And you see that there's an adjustment of 2.875 right here because of the low credit score. And that's why the rate went up to 7.625%. However, if you use our technology, you ask the borrower what is their income, right? And let's say they buy their first home, or this is a refinance. Let me do a purchase, I'm sorry. So on a purchase, if the consumer say their income is $216,000, this is in San Jose, California. If their income is $116,000, they qualify for AMI rate discount, area median income. Because the income is considered average or low, they get help. And that's why you can see the rate now lower to 6.5. And you know, the big adjustment of 2.25% is waived. So that's why the rates are so low now. So for a loan officer out there who don't know about this technology or don't know about this LLPA waiver, they end up quoting the client at a very high rate. And Loan Factory, we quote at 6.5. And that's why we always win. Our rates are low because of this. So the technology does help us, help your client. And that's why we have the technology to build our own better website, better software to help you and help our clients. We detect everything possible saving to help our clients. Hi, Larry. We cannot hear you yet. Can you check your mute, your microphone? Just playing around. We'll come back to you later when you figure it out. So this is our pricing engine, and the consumer, they can apply it, or they can see if they qualify or not, and they can enter their income. Our system will quickly show the DTI and tell them if they qualify or not, really fast. Or they can see the fee. They can click on the view fee and they can see the fee. Or they can create a rate alert. One of the biggest reasons why I have so many clients, just to let you know that last month and in the month of March and April, I closed over 100 loans myself in every month. And the reason why is I have over 20,000 rate alerts running every day and inform the client that the rate got better and they can refinance to save money. So you know that all consumers, they want to refinance and save money. Some of them have good rate already, but some of them have bad rate, high rate, and they want to refinance. So I create a rate alert for all of them so that in the future when rate drop, our system will notify them and notify me. And that's how we can convert so many people to refinance with us. And all of this technology is available for you and it's free. It's free for you. So at Loan Factory, we want you to be successful. We have all the tool, technology, and the process to help you. And I can try to apply now as the consumer, okay? And the consumer can choose if they want a pre-approval letter, their email address. We will create an account for them. So the consumer will create an account. This is a verification. I cannot do it now. Let me see. I want to show you something, but the system blocked it. Anyway, so we have an AI application. The consumer will be prompted by our system. They can upload the document, like bank statement, pay stub bank statement, W-2. They can upload the document, and our AI will read the document and fill out the application. The consumer can use that AI application feature, or you can do it as well. So instead of spending a lot of time filling out the application, we have our AI do that for you. And because we have the technology, we can do so many things. So for example, when you have a new loan application, when you pull the credit report, it will trigger, and the credit bureau will sell your client phone number and information to all the loan officer. It's called trigger lead. So you can stop that by putting your client number in the do not call. At Loan Factory, we have our AI do that. The moment the client fill our application, our AI will put the client number into the do not call registry, and that will block all the do not call. So those are some of the simple things that we do for our loan officers to help you, that you can win the client, you don't lose client. You can make the whole process so much easier and shorter. Let me see. Let me show you. Okay, hold on. Okay. So let me show you all the benefit that we offer our loan officers. I'm going to show you more about our technology, our process. But when you join Loan Factory, you get our technology for free. All of the software are built in-house. So from the pricing engine, the POS, the website that you have, the LOA, the LOS, the loan origination software, the CRM, all of that are free. You do not have to pay the company or any software provider. Everything is free. And you will receive training from me as well. We have 5 training per month, live training, conducted by me and the COO and some other loan officers. It's free. We also have an academy, an online learning system, and it's free as well. We offer free marketing support. So if you need help with designing a customized image or edit a video, or if you want to run an ads, the marketing team can help you, and it's free. We also offer underwriting support for free. So if you have a very difficult loan, you need help structuring it, it's free. If you have a video, if you have a difficult loan, like non-QM loan, and you don't have any idea what type of loan you should send the loan to, or if you have no idea which lender have the better rate or can do this loan, you can ask our underwriter to help you, and it's free. So we provide all of this support for free. And I do not believe any other lender, any other broker out there provide this kind of support. I don't think any company out there provide free marketing support, free underwriting support, free technology, free training, all of this. And we don't charge you any monthly fee at all. If you join Loan Factory and you don't close any loan for 3 months, for 6 months, you pay nothing. No monthly fee, no technology fee, no software fee, no nothing. But other companies out there charge you a lot. Okay? And we have no minimum production requirement. The commission, we have the best commission plan out there for you. We pay 100% minus a flat fee of $5.95. We don't believe any other company out there offer you this good. 100% commission minus a flat fee. We also charge you $500 processing fee for in-house processing, which is very cheap, $500. With third-party processing, they charge at least $700. And our processor do a lot more. They will register the loan, issue disclosure, and take the loan all the way to fund it for you. They will take care of all conditions. They will do all VOE. They will do all of that for you.
So in essence, they're an LOA.
I'm sorry?
So in essence, they're pretty much like an LOA.
They pretty much, they do everything. When the loan ready to be submitted, that is when they step in and take the loan all the way to fund it for you. They have a strict turn time. They have to touch your loan every day. Every day, they have to touch your loan. They have to submit your loan within 4 hours. So when the loan ready to go, you tell the processor if you want to go wholesale or correspondent, what lender you want to go. you want to tell the processor what is your compensation for the loan. And then we'll take it over and then we'll do it. Hi, Cameron. Hello, Cameron. We cannot hear you. Hello. We will come back to you later. So total, you pay $10.95 fixed. That's it. And the commission can be 1099 or W2. It's up to you to decide. Most loan officers want to get paid in 1099, and you can keep it that way, as long as you don't get the license or don't practice in the W2 state. Some of the W2 states are Nevada, Massachusetts, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina. So those are some of the states that require you to be W2. Okay. And you can earn the commission up to 250 bps. We set our lender pay compensation at 250 outside of California. In California, we set it at 200 bps. Those are the lender pay compensation. If you want to make less than that, you can switch it to borrow pay and lower your comp. Or you can submit to our correspondent lender, to our correspondent channel, and you can set your compensation from 0 to 250. Hello, Marcus.
Hello. Quick question. So I'm licensed in like 22 states across the country. I live in Arizona, but I do originate, let's just say, in North Carolina, which is a W2 state. If I choose to keep North Carolina and originate a loan in North Carolina, would I be just W2'd for that loan that I wrote in North Carolina, or do I have to be W2'd then on any state then from there, if I choose to originate a loan in a W2 state?
The latter one. So if you choose to originate in North Carolina, you must be W2, and that will apply to all state, all production. It go by you, not the loan or the state. So you have to choose if you want to receive W2 or 1099.
Okay, so if I decide to keep any W2 state, then I have to be W2'd in every state, regardless.
Correct.
Gotcha.
And that's why most loan officers choose to avoid the W2 state, so that you can be 1099.
Hey, Tuan, on the processing fee, you said $1,095. Can that not be passed on to the borrower?
Yes, if you submit the loan to our correspondent channel, then that can be passed on to the consumer. And or if you keep it on our wholesale channel, then you have to use a third-party processor.
Got it.
But I recommend you not to, because you can adjust your compensation. So instead of making 1.25% and charge the borrower $500, you can make 1.55%, so that you have enough money to cover your processing fee, and it comes out the same. Yeah, because the lender give it a pie. It's up to you to keep some and give the consumer some, right? So it's up to you. And for me, I feel it's better to not charge in the borrower the processing fee, because consumer, they don't like to be charged a lot of junk fee. They look at the fee and they get picky on you. Say, why you charge me this fee? The other lender don't charge me this. So by grouping all together into the commission, nobody asks you about the fee and nobody care. You know, keep it simple, basically.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jimmy. So let me continue. We have, people go to our main website, loanfactory.com, and apply. So those are considered company loan. And because the quality of these loans are pretty high, consumer already fill out application. So in 42 states, we give these company loan to our loan officers as company lead, company loan. And you can be the loan officer of the transaction. We pay you only a quarter, 0.25% on this loan. It's low, but you do very little because the processor handle most of the work. You're only there to support the clients. And the good thing is you build the relationship with the client. And in the future, if the client refinance, they are your client. You have that relationship. You are the loan officer of the loan. So this is one of another way we help our loan officer to make some money and have future business. You build up a base. Hi, Larry.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, great. I have my external microphone still on. So in this case where it's the in-house lead that's given to a loan officer, do they still pay the processing fees and all that? Okay.
Oh, no fee. You just get paid 25 bps.
Okay.
And we
25
also
25 bips, not 25% of the net commission, right?
it's the same thing because the company we set our com low at 1%. So 25 bps or 25% are the same. But one good thing is because the company set our com very low at 1%, it's very easy to win and not losing the client. Our pricing is so competitive anyway. So, and in this business, we keep losing clients. And our goal is not to let it happen. So that's why we rather make less and not losing client and make sure our clients are happy. So that is our principle. But again, this is a company loan, and that's what we set at. If you join the company and refer an officer to the company, we'll pay you a referral fee up to $5,000, depend on their production. Okay. Hi, Amir. I cannot hear you. I'm sorry.
Good morning, Thon. How are you?
Good,
I hope you're doing well.
Yes.
Good. Thank you so much. The company loans you're saying, and would I have access to it as using Mosto software as an independent loan broker officer?
No, only loan officer who join Loan Factory.
So what am I accessing to? Is it just the wholesale or correspondence, or what? When your real time pricing, what would that be that I'm having access to?
Our pricing engine have both wholesale and correspondent. And at Loan Factory, we keep everything the same. So no matter if you send your loan into our wholesale or correspondent channel, the rate are the same, the pricing are the same, and the costs are the same as well. We keep everything simple. So it's up to you to decide where you want to send the loan to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would just go on pricing engine and then full doc or no income doc. Is that how it is? Is that I understand it right?
No, that's different. Wholesale and correspondent are completely different than no doc and full doc. So here, if you see this sign, this is our correspondent with Rocket.
Okay.
So if you see Rocket alone, that's his wholesale. And you see the pricing of so, but then
I see.
we know that nowadays non-QM loans are popular. So that's why we build our own non-QM pricing engine. And I don't think other company out there offer you this technology. You can run the pricing on a non-QM loan. So for example, if you If you want, you can run let's say an investment property, investment non-QM DSCR loan, and you can set it at 25% down payment, and you can see the rate right away, so fast.
Mhm.
And you can see we compare the lender, 6 lenders, and the best lender is it's 7.25 for a DSCR loan, which is very good. And this including our 1% comp already. And some loan officer don't shop around and send the loan to some other lender, and you get higher rate. So that's why it's so critical to use our pricing engine when you price the loan, when you quote rate to your clients. And I think only Loan Factory have this kind of technology to allow you to price and quote a non-QM loans quickly and help you compare among all lenders that we are working with. Hi, Amir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Jimmy.
Hey, where's your HE loans or HELOCs for pricing?
Oh, that one we haven't have it yet. That one you can price directly with our lender.
Oh, like Spring EQ or
Exactly. Symmetry is, they have that on their website.
and then so would I be able to get a list of the non-QM
Yes,
lenders?
yeah. I'll show that to you soon. I'll show
Okay.
that to you soon.
All right, sorry about that.
Yeah. Hi, Joseph.
I just wanted to see if you could
does
give a little bit.
Does
Can
your
you give a little
model
bit more?
apply for reverse mortgage?
Yeah. Hi, Joe. We don't have pricing engine for reverse mortgage yet. It's pretty complicated.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, Hunter.
Hi, how's it going? I wanted to see, can you talk a little bit more through the correspondent channel? Are you signed up with the same brokers in both a correspondent channel and a broker channel, or are they different outlets? Can you just talk a little bit more about how your correspondent is set up?
Yeah. We make everything really simple. So for you won't see any difference. The way we set up our correspondent is it's up to you to decide to send your loan into wholesale or correspondent. We set the pricing the same, the rate the same, the cost the same, so everything the same. We keep it really simple. Right now, our correspondent, we have that with 3 investors: Rocket, Kai Lending, and New Rest. So only 3 lenders right now, 3 investors.
Okay, and then are the 3 investors in all your states, or are they limited?
We are licensed in about 20 states, and we are adding a lot more. So the goal is we will have the lending license in at least 40 states by the end of the year.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So let me share with you more. Our pricing engine is really cool. So for example, in our pricing engine here, you can compare the buy down option. You can select 2 rate and compare. You see that option 1 and option 2, the difference is $7,200 buy down, but the borrower saved $37,000. So that is one way you compare. Another way to compare is to compare 30-year with 20-year fixed. You can select it and compare now, and you can see between the 30-year and 20-year, the 20 years loan will save almost $180K, over $300K loan amount. So you can see the comparison. Or you can even compare with an FHA loan and a versus commercial conventional loan. You can do all of these comparisons. Okay, so those are the technology, and when you compare, you can actually share that to your client. You can compare, and then When you see it, you can share that to your client. Really cool. Very cool. Hi, Amir. We cannot hear you.
Sorry
We
about
cannot
that.
hear you.
Yes, sorry. Two questions. Is there a, if like, let's say I have a client and I have a question, is there real-time tech support? And question two, credit, or when I want to pull credit, they have to sign a disclosure and approval. How do we do that, I guess?
These are all real
I think
time.
that's fine. I'm
All
sorry.
of these are real time. All of these are real time, and now technology allows you to generate custom form for them to sign. But our technology are built into the system. When they fill out application, they give it authorization to pull credit. So everything is built into the system.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you.
Okay. Thank you.
So let me share with you. Hold on one second. Okay. So let me share with you. Let me log into our system and share with you a lot more. Hi, Luis.
Hello, sir. On the pulling the credit, is that included into the program, or is that something you sign up for separately and pay for separately? How does that work?
When you join Loan Factory, we will help you set up an account with a credit vendor like Advantage Credit. We negotiate and pay only $89 per trimester pool. It's a package, so that you don't have to pay for supplement or reissue order. So $89 per package, and you pay for it using your credit. However, on your website that we built for you, you can customize your tenantry so that your borrower, when they fill out the application on your website, the borrower will pay for it. They will pull the credit themselves. And most borrowers will not complain. They are willing to pay for the credit report so that you can save that money. Another option for you is you can submit loan to Rocket and pull the credit on their website for free. They will pay for it. So Rocket gives us a lot of benefit. First, you can pull the credit on their website for free. Secondly, if the borrower credit score is low, let's say 690, and you want to help your client get better rate, when you submit the loan to Rocket, you can click a button to request them to help improve your client credit score. So the lender, Rocket, will work on the loan and approve your loan as normal. But at the same time, they will try to help the client get better score. And when the score go up, they will apply better pricing for the client. So this is one of the rate benefits that they offer our company. Hi, Larry.
Thank you.
Yeah, another question regarding that, you know, with Rocket and all that. Is that great? But do you have any kind of an agreement with Rocket that prevents them from going after your clients and things like that? So
Yes.
going after referrals and things like that. Because I've had experience like that in the real estate world.
You don't have to worry because they promise Loan Factory and other brokers that they will not go after our clients. And they make that promise for many years, and so far they kept their promise. They've been keeping their promise. They don't call our client at all. So the moment we submit the loan to their portal, they block out the client. So the retail cannot call our clients anymore. So that is why we are not afraid. And even if they call our client, we are not afraid because our rate are lower than their retail rate. There's no reason why we have to be afraid anymore.
Yeah, because they're really actively going after a lot of clients. I mean, with our Nexa clientele, through Mr. Cooper.
Yeah, because
Oh yeah.
because of course
Yeah.
because you work with UWM, which is enemy of Rocket, right? So they have to do that. They have the right to do that, and that's normal. That's expected. All business try to get more clients, so they have the right to go after your clients.
Oh, well,
But-
I get that. I mean, that's competition. But I mean, but if we're giving them our clients and their information, that's
Yeah.
what I'm concerned about. Because I did
Yeah.
that with, like Nextdoor and some of these other companies that offer cash offers.
Yeah. So all of the servicers out there are doing this. They go after their book, right? Their clients. They have the right to do that. So the goal here is first have the most competitive rate so that we don't lose client. And then we have to communicate that to our clients so that they don't go anywhere else. At least they check with us before they refinance or do another loan. And then Rocket does promise us that they won't touch our client. So we don't have to worry about that at all. If it happened, we can make phone call and complain. But so far, it haven't happened at all. After many years working with them, it never happened. And as you can see in our pricing engine, Rocket have good rate. They give us special rate, very competitive. With UWM, they don't have good rate. And I don't see why would someone like you choose to work with UWM when their rates are so high. Right now, consumers are so sensitive with the pricing. If you give them higher rate, they walk away.
The only
So-
time UWM is competitive is when they run that 60 bips bonus.
Yes.
Then you have to be a pro elite.
Yeah, and they keep playing game too. You're not always getting that at all. They play game. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't get it. And it's so confusing. And it's hard to keep up with all of those things that the gimmick that they give out. But anyway, let's move on. So here you can see our marketplace. Our marketplace is amazing. And this is something that we put together to help our loan officers. So our marketplace is the intention is to help loan officer. You can see that we have 244 lenders for you to work with. And many of the lenders are live. When they are live, that means you can connect to them live on our. If you have any question, you can click on it and you can talk to the AE live. Okay. You can see the rate sheet. You can see it, what if they are QM and non-QM loan. You can see the rating, all of this. If you click on it, you can see a lot more. You can see all of their AE. You can see basic information about them, their lock policy and fee, their EPO policy, their niche and overlay, their turn time, any document they have. You can see everything. And if you want to see which lender do correspondent, then you can see PennyMac, Rocket, and Kai Lending. If you want to look up any lender, you can look up here. If you want to see any lender offer private loan, you can select private loan, and we have 90 lenders offer private loan. If you want to see commercial loan, we have 47 lenders offer commercial loan. The good thing when you work with a big brokerage like Loan Factory is we have so many lenders, so many different products to help you, so that you will never say no to anyone. You can do reverse mortgage and land, charter mortgage, escrow loan charge. You can do any of these. Or if you want to do non-QM, there are so many non-QM loans like I-10. And there's 73 lenders that can do I-10 loan. So you can get filter and you can see all the lenders that can offer that product. Even better than this, you can go to Lender Finder And you can see loan officer, they post a difficult scenario, and you can see the lender get back to you. Loan officer posts the scenario, and you can see lender get back to you quickly. And this is very active. What happened is you can click here, post a lender a scenario. You can type in a scenario, right? And you can select what kind of product, non-QM. You can narrow down the product if you want to. And then you can select, oh, I want to send to 20 lender. And then you just post it. All of these lender will receive your inquiry and get back to you. So this is really cool, because in the past, I'm pretty sure that all of us said no to the client or realtor. Say, I don't do commercial loan. I don't do IT loan. I don't do foreigner loan. I don't do mobile home loan. And that means you lose revenue, you lose client, you lose realtor. And when you run a business, you should never say no to the client. Why would you say no to the client? So, and then talking about service, you can see that we have the support specialist and underwriter who are live to help you. If you have any question, you can go here and talk to them. Team, can you please mute her? Also, the underwriter, we have a lot of underwriter who go live. Even we have a coach, a branch manager who are live to help you as well. So this kind of service, I don't think it's available anywhere. And it's free. Any question about our system, our product, you can ask us.
Right. Would the people who are using just the software, would they have access to this? These people
No.
here?
No, this is only for Loan Factory.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Hi, Luis. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Luis.
I love the support, but what if I have a client who needs something where I'm licensed, let's say California, but also has another product that's, needs another loan in Colorado where I'm not licensed? How do we handle that? Does Loan Factory have a plan for that?
So if you have a client in a state that you don't have a license,
Right.
first you can get licensed in that state and help your client. It's pretty easy and quick.
Is it okay?
That is one way. Another way is you can form a team, and you can help your team member help your clients.
Okay. Is there a
And
compensation for that? Is that allowed?
it's allowed only if you are a team leader.
Okay.
You can get some commission, but
And
you
that's
cannot
all,
get 50%.
and that's all included in the package, I'm assuming, when we sign up, of how all
Yeah.
it would work.
So when you join, you can go to the team here. You can look up all the team that we have. We have many teams. We have 32 teams. And you can sign up to be the team leader, but you have to qualify though. Not all people qualify to be the team leader. And you can join a team if you want to. So we encourage teamwork, and we help each other.
No, that's
So-
awesome. And then at the beginning, the young lady said that you guys have some kind of deal where we can study or whatever to get our licenses in other states. Because I'm interested in getting it in a couple other states as well.
Yes. You can go to our resource, and you can see that we partner with this company so that you can take courses at a discount, CE course, compliant course, or if you get licensed in another state.
Okay, thank you.
Also, you can sign up to be a mentor, or you can join a mentor, and they will split the commission with you. With mentorship, it's more like a temporary. If you don't like a mentor, you can switch to a different mentor. Okay? We want everyone to be happy, and we don't want to force anyone to work together if you're not happy.
Okay.
We also have production partner, so that when let's say you have a client who speaks another language like Russian, and you cannot speak the language, then you can partner with that loan officer to help your clients. Or if you need to travel, you need to take a month off, you can work with another loan officer to help your client, and you still get paid because you are licensed. You originate. So there are so many things going on. I will try my best to cover, but I might not be able to make it. So with the event, we have a lot of training every day. We have a lot of events. You can see here, the event, the training come from me, or our COO, or from the lender, or from our mentor. There are so many events, and there's a section say completed. So any event that completed, you can watch it again. Like I have a training on lead and marketing here. You can watch it. You click on watch now, you can watch it. Okay. Beside event, we have trade show where I travel across the country. You can sign up for this event, this trade show for free as well. You can see a list of vendor. You can see a list of third-party processor. We keep track of everything. We make everything simple for everyone. The lead want to apply. When they fill out the application, you have a prospect. So prospect and application are the same. But many applications, the borrower is not ready to move forward, like refinance or pre-approval. So we let them sit there in the prospect. But the moment they are ready to go, you need to submit, you need to convert it to a loan, where the processor will submit the loan to the lender for you. So the moment the loan is ready to go, you convert to a loan, and the processor will submit it for you. I cannot show it here because it's a privacy issue, but let me try to see if I can show you in this sandbox, the testing site. So let's see, 1 second. So here is our testing site where it's almost the same at the main site. It's taking time. So let me go back here. Maybe log in. So here's this is my menu. It's different than loan officer menu. This is a little bit long because there's a lot of features that are only available for me. So a loan officer can create a new application by manually filling out the application, or AI can fill it out for you. If you click on AI to fill out, you can upload document in here. AI will read the application and fill out for you. Or you can invite a borrower to fill out an application. Or you can issue the pre-approved pre-qualification letter. Or you can import a 3.4 XML file. So there's many ways you can create a new application. The main feature of our website is the rate alert, where you can create rate alert for your clients. So for me, I track to see how many of my alert is in the money, at the money, how many have rate alert hit. I track so anything. The commission request, when you close the loan, when the loan is funded, the company will pay it. The ticket, question or concern, you can create a ticket for any of these departments, and they will get back to you. We also have a feature to allow you to keep track of the referral realtor, so that you can nurture them. You can build a relationship. We keep track of how many loans we refer to each other. You refer to your realtor, or your realtor refer back to you. And we send out the report monthly to the realtor. The realtor and you can see the same lead, the same prospect, the same loan, so that you don't have to update them the status. By the way, we have a mobile app where you can download the app and work on your lead, on your prospect, and your loan. The realtor can do the same thing. That way, you are always on the same page. If they have the lead, they send it to you, you receive it on your phone. And vice versa. You can work together. We are the only company that have mobile app for our loan officer. Our mobile app is super friendly, super easy to use. I recommend you to download it. And it's even more powerful because you can share the QR code to your client or your realtor. When your client or realtor download the app and use it, they are your client. Our system keeps track of that. So when the client download the app and they create a red alert, they are yours. If they fill out an application, they are yours. It's automatic. So, and it's all free. The mobile app is free. Use it. It's very powerful. Hi, Larry.
There we go. Okay. I get a lot of delayed action here. So the I'm really interested in this part of this, the marketing part of it. But I know a lot of agents, they have enough. They're doing enough. They're dealing with their phone with different apps all the time. This will actually email them too and update them also, or text them also. Can I text them and update them right through the system?
You mean the escrow company?
No, the realtor. So my realtor partners.
Yeah.
So that's my main concern, is to my realtor partners or even the client. So everybody gets their texts, emails.
Yeah. You know, we keep everyone informed, in the loop. So let's say on the loan, let me show you in here. Let's say you can write a note, right? You can write a note and you can save and text it to, right now you can add more. Let me see, this is the text. The text feature is a little complicated, but you can email. This is early in the process.
Okay.
The system will track if there is a realtor associated with the loan.
So you're tied in with your lenders, with, I guess, with the lending pad or whatever. I'm not sure how it's.
No, we build our own LOS. We don't use.
You got your own LOS. Okay.
Right.
Right.
We have our, and we do that. We don't use outside software, basically.
Okay. But the system's tied in with the lender. So when a notification comes in, you're approved. It goes to me. It goes to, or I can choose to.
Correct.
Okay. All right.
It go out to you and the realtor.
Now, can we use this also as a marketing tool? So I heard you say marketing, but say social media.
Yeah.
And I want to, throw out rates or whatever.
Yeah. Let me show you the marketing tool here. So I bet you heard about Lead Hacker, and they charge you almost $300 per month. We build the same software for you for free. All you need to do is create a new Facebook ads, select a template. Our template is amazing, better
Very
than
nice.
template. You can select a template in different language too. Just 1 second. I'm trying to improve.
Can you edit the images? Can we put video or anything into them? Or
Yes. Okay. So you can select the template, right? It can be Spanish right here in different language, and you can enter the daily budget, $15, right? You select the end date. Here is the ads. There's an image. You can upload video or image to replace it if you want, or add more. You can click here to delete it, the Excel. You can change the description, you can change the text and launch it. You can decide where to launch it, what state you want to launch it. You can delete some, you can delete the state, you can add the language. If you want to target only Spanish speaking user, you can do that and you submit it. That's it. Good thing is if you check this box, when your new lead comes, it will text it to you. And you can pick up the phone and call your lead right away in real time. So the moment the lead tap on your ads and give you their information, you get notified on your cell phone, you call them up right away to convert. So this is better than Lead Hacker and it's free. Lead Hacker alone charges you $300 per month. Company Google reviews him. So, I mean, Google reviews. Every loan officer like you must have Google review. Our company, when you work with Loan Factory, we have a good way to make sure clients are happy. Our processor will ask for the 5-star review for you. They earn a bonus if they get that. And the review is yours, you own it, so that you can promote to your future clients. We will help you set up your Google business profile, and you own that profile. You own that because the account provided by Google, and you are the one that created it, so you own it. When you work with Loan Factory, we help you gather a lot of 5-star review. Every loan that you close, processor will ask for 5-star review, and we don't have to ask for it. Our technology is so amazing. We send a text to their phone, to the borrow phone, they tap on it and give you 5-star review. It takes them less than 30 seconds. There's no reason why they say no and don't give you 5-star review. And let's say in the future, after let's say 6 months or a year, you don't want to work with Loan Factory anymore. You can leave Loan Factory and you take the review is with you. It doesn't belong to Loan Factory at all. So Google review is something we promote and it's really powerful. Marketing materials. We have thousands of marketing materials to help you in different languages. You can do Spanish. We have thousands of different marketing materials to help you so that you can promote. We also have standard marketing material. We have loan officer marketing material where you can generate a flyer. You can generate all kinds of images. You can help the realtor generate the images. You can do a co-marketing with the realtor. You can promote a loan program. You can promote a daily rate. You can click here and it will pop up, it will create a rate. It will create an image like this. And then you can promote it. You can promote meat and fat, holiday. You can promote a 5-star review. Let's say you get a 5-star review, you can generate the image and promote it. You can promote faster clear loans. Let's say you close a loan in 8 days. You can generate it and you can promote it. And we are working on a version that even better than this. The system will know automatically when you get 5-star review or you close a loan in 7 days. And we will email you the image so that you can post it. And even better than that, we are working on a system that we can post it automatically for you. You just give it permission. And whenever you close a loan fast, whenever you get 5-star review, whenever you close a loan, we post it on your social media for you for free. It's automatic. So we do a lot of things to help you, and everything is free. The goal is to help you successful. So we have email drip campaign like holiday. You turn it on, or we send to all your clients in lead, prospect, and loan. You can do a referral realtor campaign as well. You can also do a follow-up campaign. So let's say my application that not completed, I will follow up with 3 days, 7 days, and 15 days. So you can turn it on so that the system will remind the borrower, hey, you haven't finished the application. Why is it? Can you finish it? Give them the link. So these are email drip campaign. We have mailing lists where you can create mailing lists and send it out to your client. We have company lead funnel and widget. The lead funnel you can create in 30 seconds. Powerful. And you can promote your lead funnel to get lead. You can have your own newsletter too, if you want to. Just create it. We have a lot of other things, and I don't have time to show you. We have on the right side here, Ask Marshall. This is our AI. You can ask many things. This is better than ChatGPT. You can ask many questions about loan factory. You can ask you a question about your loan, your current loan, or you can ask for the rate today. We have the academy as well for you. You can join the academy, my training academy here. We will launch the academy for you to learn. We have different courses for loan officer, for processor, disclosure, general training, rocket training, compliance training. All of these are free. So I can go on and go on. There's so many things. But the bottom line is I want you to compare with not only pricing, service, technology, rate, cost, everything. I want you to compare. And Loan Factory, we're proud that we are better than all other companies out there with everything. And that's why our slogan is, we dare you to compare. We want our client to compare so that we can get better and better every day. I will take question. Hi, Luis.
Yes, sir. Earlier you said that if someone uses my app, or your app rather, they become my client. So I can essentially run an ad or send out an emailer, and every person that downloads that app and looks for a loan is locked in as my client when they finally do decide to get a loan with us?
Correct. When you promote your app,
Right.
you give them a QR code. We create a QR code for you. Let me share with you this. So you can see that on the pricing engine here, when the consumer run the code, let me lock that up, I'm sorry. Ooh. When the consumer run a code, they will see what happened. Something wrong. Let me see, I'm sorry. They can have to report this. Okay.
So code should pop up there that they can scan. Is that what you're saying?
So here, let me share with you one of the website that owned by our loan officer, Ann Nguyen. She's one of the top loan officer in the company. So on the website, we show your mobile app, and you have a QR code.
Right.
So every loan officer will have a QR code, separate QR code.
Okay.
If you promote this QR code, the consumer can scan it and download the app on their phone. And everything they do belongs to you. If they create Ray Alert, it belongs to you. If they fill application, it belongs to you.
when they scan that code, does it automatically send me some information that I can lock them into my CRM so I can start communicating with them, or no?
Know who is that person. Only when they give you information. When they download the app, they can download the app, right? And then when they run the pricing, they can create a ray alert. And when they create a ray alert, they enter their name and phone number and email. That is where you have the information to reach out to them.
Gotcha. And that tells us how we got them, right?
Yes. Yes. And you can try it out yourself. Have your brother or someone try to scan the code and download it and create ray alert of your application. You will see that it's assigned to you automatically.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, Juan, the marketing pieces that you were showing, are they built for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
all of it.
But you can put those on those platforms without paying like an ad fee for Facebook.
If you
Right.
do it yourself. If you do
Yeah.
it yourself. Yeah. Yeah, of course.
But then do y'all have a service to where we can set up a budget and then y'all would do that for us?
That is in the plan. My plan is to help all of you. We can set up Facebook, Instagram, TikTok for you, and we can post for you with your permission.
Right. And then y'all offer a service. I've got a business Facebook page, but I would like to update it because I'm going to pay the $100 today and join Loan Factory. But I want to get it rocking and rolling.
Yeah, and when you join, you can ask our marketing team to help you improve your page, or if you need any image or anything, they can help you.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Hunter.
Can you talk a little bit about, I saw on the website that you guys were okay with working with a different, working with a different company in a different state and then working with you guys in another. How does
Yes.
that work for you guys?
Yes. So here, you can see on our website, on there, the rule is in each state, in every state, every loan officer must be sponsored by one company. However, there's some exception. In this state, loan officer can be sponsored by more than one company. And in this state, you pretty much have to work for one company only. So basically in California, you can work for, let's say, Nexa. But in Texas, you can work for Loan Factory. So
Okay.
every state is a separate jurisdiction. You can work, you can sign up for a different company in each state. So let's say if you with your broker right now and you want to keep it that way, you don't want to leave them yet, keep it. But then if you want to expand to Washington or Massachusetts, you can sign up license in those states and hang the license under Loan Factory.
Okay. One more quick question, back to the correspondent stuff. How do you guys work it as far as, are you considered a branch, or how do you spend money that you keep on your, is there a branch ledger as far as correspondent pricing goes? How does it work?
We keep everything really simple. We don't have P&L branch. We don't allow all of that. What happened is really simple. You as an individual loan officer, you submit loan, just like it's a wholesale. You submit it to our correspondent channel and close the loan and get paid, and that's it.
Do I have to have my comp set over certain periods of time for that, or how does it actually work on the
We
correspondence?
allow you to send the loan in.
Okay, because you're charging that flat fee.
Yeah, we charge flat fee. That's it.
I got it. Oh, that's very cool. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Hunter. Yeah, our goal is to keep everything simple. That allow us to scale. That allow us to provide better service to everyone.
Hey,
And-
Juan, if I were to join today and pay the $100, what would be the turn time on making this
Depend on the state. We are very
California?
fast. It's all depend on the state when will they approve the sponsorship. Some
Yeah.
states are very fast, some states are slow, but we are very fast. There's no delay at all.
Okay. And if I've got loans to submit, can I submit them prior to it being approved?
You have to submit under my name.
Okay.
And then the moment your license active,
You switch it over.
we might withdraw the loan and resubmit. But then we already have almost everything, so the lender can approve quickly anyway.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. Any more question for me? I would love to answer any question. Please remember, build our own technology, and we build it and use it ourselves, and that's why our system is so good. We listen to feedback and we make it happen. Hi, Domingo.
Yes, hello. My question is, do you have or provide like 𝐅𝐅𝐷 prospecting tool for prospecting realtors, either is something similar that you have developed, or do you have partnership with a platform like that?
What kind of tool is that? Can you say that again?
I've seen that some mortgage broker here in South Florida use that. It's 𝐅𝐷. Basically, you can research agents that are very active.
Yes, yes. You can sign up and use them. We are partner with them. Yeah, it's called REDA. Intelligent information. You can look up any realtor or loan officer for their production, or know who they are working with. Yes, you can do that.
Do you have it included in your package? Do you have a preferential pre-negotiated auction? How would that work with you guys?
I think it costs $100 a month.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to sign up and use it if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's another one called MMI, and it's only like $70 a month. It does the same.
Similar, but some people like REDA more than MMI.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Domingo. Oh, okay. Hi, Larry.
Yeah, hi. The transition. So, what do you contact my? Because this is my first transition. I would be moving, so I'll be moving from one broker to you.
Yes. So our team will help you. We will assign you a dedicated staff to help you with the onboarding process. If you have any question, you can ask that onboarding specialist.
Okay.
Yeah. And we will call you after the webinar. We'll call you to see if you want to be onboarded or not. It's up to you. Lisa, I thought I saw you ask a question how we are different than Nexa. We are completely different than Nexa.
Night and day.
We are as big as they are, but we provide better service. And you keep most of your commission. Nexa keep a lot of your commission. And they are very gimmick. They have a lot of things to confuse you. I heard that if you join the academy and you stuck with them, you stuck with them. If you leave them soon, you will have to pay $5,000. Some of you are from Nexa here. You can clarify with me if I'm wrong. But they charge you 55 bps. They promise you 100%, but then it's very difficult to qualify. And it's only available with 3 lenders, and the rate for those 3 lenders. So you should check it out. Hi, Jimmy, you still have a question?
Oh, I'm sorry. Forgot.
Thank you. Hi, Amir.
Hi.
Yes, question?
I'm sorry, my microphone was off. I apologize. If we were to join, let me turn this on. Loan Factory, do you provide leads, and do we pay? If we have to pay for leads, do we pay, and all that good stuff? And is that flat rate?
No, I mean, you can run your own Facebook ads to get lead. We also have lead, but depend on the type of lead. If the borrower already fill out application on our website, those are the best quality lead. We pay you only 25 pip. But we also have other types of lead, and we charge you a lot less. Basically, we have different types of lead, and we cannot guarantee the lead though, because we have a lot of loan officer, but not a lot of lead. And also, right now, the quality of lead is not good. Right now, nobody wants to refinance. And right now, the purchase market is really slow. So in the bad time, no matter how hard you try, you still fail. It's just like fishermen, when they go out to try to catch fish in the ocean, if it's the wrong season, if it's a bad spot, no matter how hard you try, you get nothing. So that is the reality right now. But you should try to work hard now to set up so that when market turn around, you're going to be successful. That is the key. That is my advice for you. You need to set up everything now so that you can be so competitive with marketing, with pricing, with the support, with cost, with everything, with the technology, so that when market turn around, you are ready to be successful. Thank you, Amir. Hi, Domingo.
Yes, I have two other questions. Let's say that in our county or city, there is some DPA programs. How will be the process in order to be able to provide those DPA programs to potential borrowers?
So depend. We have some lender that offer DPA program, and regarding the DPA program, there's so many of them. There's so many of them. However, if the DPA program allow broker to work with them, we will sign up with them. So we want to help our clients. We want to help our loan officer. Most DPA program, they don't want to work with broker. They suck. They want to work with lender only. And because of that, we cannot work with them. And because of that, the lender know that and they charge higher rate. So that is the reality, and there's nothing we can change until one day Loan Factory become a lender. Then we can help them. We can sign up everywhere.
Okay, so basically the process will be find out if they can work with a broker, and
Yeah.
then you have a dedicated support that we can coordinate whatever step me or any other agent, MLO working with your team to be able to sign up with those auctions.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, and my second question is, do we have in Loan Factory a hard money lender for fix and flip auctions?
Yes, we have a lot. I showed you earlier on the marketplace. We have a lot of hard money lender or fix and flip lender. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, hello, Hunter. Hello, Hunter.
Thank you.
Okay, so I guess I have answered all the questions. And I hope that you learn more about Loan Factory, about how I do business. Very competitive. I want to have the best rate, the best service to my client. And not only that, the technology have to be the best. The tool have to be the best that help you become better loan officer. You have to be able to do marketing, promote yourself. You have to be different and better than other loan officer out there. And if you are not, something wrong. If you run a business and you have nothing better or different than your competitor, that is not good. So I want you to keep thinking, and I want you to compare your current company versus Loan Factory. And if your company is better, good for you. But I doubt if any other company better than Loan Factory. And the good thing is you can try us out for a few months. If you don't like, you can always move on. But the reality is the market is really bad right now. And now is the good time to change. Many of us are afraid of change. And that is not good. The more you are willing and ready to change, the better. You have to get better. Things are changing out there. Consumers are changing. They are younger. They love technology. They love to shop around. They love to be in control. And therefore, you have to change as well, right? Just, AI is changing the world. Technology is everywhere. And competition are getting more severe. So we have to be ready to compete. We have to change. And at Loan Factory, we keep changing. We keep getting better and better. So I want you to think careful for your business, and you should not hesitate to change for the better. Keep learning, keep changing so that you can be successful. And that is my advice for you. I hope that you enjoy my webinar. And if you have any question, please share that with my team. And if you really want to talk to me, I'm also available. But I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Real quick before you go.
Yes.
When I do sign up today, when will I have access to all the marketing pieces so I can go ahead and start getting it set up and be ready for when my license is approved?
I would say the next day or two, you should have that.
Even over weekend?
Yeah. We will allow you to do all of these setup. You can play around with the website. You have your own account. You have your own website. You can play around with all of these. The only thing you cannot do is you cannot originate yet until your license is with us. Yeah.
Right. And then what about email addresses? I didn't hear anything mentioned about that.
Yeah, we will create an email address for you as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, man. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm excited.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I really
Good luck,
enjoyed
everybody.
you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Larry, make the move from Nexa.
Thank you.
I'm ready. I'm ready, Jimmy.
I tell you what, I'm just done with it, man. I've been there for
The
4
marketing
years.
stuff. The marketing stuff through it was over the top. Because you pay for that. You pay $300, $200 a month for just
every
bits
bit
and
of it.
pieces of that.
Yeah. It's just amazing.